Hi, Briar fan. This is Betty Ann 2402, and the horse arrived today, and he's in great condition, and he's like beautiful. I love the whole set, the picture perfect set, and I decided to name him Resurrection and Resi for short. But he's in this pasture because I didn't have, believe it or not, any other space in my barn. So he's in here, but he has a nice run-in with some 3 other horses, but his best buddy is Vesper. He has a nice hay and water and everything. So he's really happy out here. He's gonna start his training tomorrow probably. So I just wanted to let you know that he arrived okay, and when I take some really nice pictures of him, I will send them to you. So, yep, and I will be sending out your horses Monday probably. So sorry it's kind of late, but we haven't had the time. So you will get them then. So thanks again for trading with me. Bye.